Hi, बच्चे. In the last session, in the last video, we had discussion about the contact forces, the definition of forces, and muscular forces, right? But in this video, we will discuss about the non-contact forces. Non-contact forces means no contact with the objects. Please understand. I will define in this way the forces. The forces that two objects exert on each other even when there is no physical contact between them are known as non-contact forces. So in the non-contact forces, we will discuss about the magnetic forces, we'll discuss about the gravitational forces, we'll discuss about the electrostatic forces, and then in the last we'll discuss about the pressure by fluids, pressure in liquids, pressure in gases, and atmospheric pressures. So hopefully I will finish till electrostatic force and pressure of by fluids. We will discuss about the next in the next video. Now I'm going to discuss about the non-contact forces. The forces that the two objects exerts on each other even when there is no physical contact between them are known as the non-contact forces, which I had earlier told you. Now the examples of non-contact forces are what? Magnetic force, gravitational force, and electrostatic force. Now the magnetic force, what is magnetic force? It is the force exerted by a magnet on each other magnet or on some magnetic materials like iron, nickel, and alloys. When I say alloys, means steel. It is a non-contact force. Now the properties of non-contact forces, like poles of magnets always repel each other, and the second one is unlike poles of magnets always attracts each other, right? So the magnetic force is finished. Now we will discuss about the gravitational force. In this universe, every object, whether small or large, attracts every other object by a force known as gravitational force. The gravitational force acting between any two bodies is the same for both the bodies. When a heavier body and a lighter body attract each other due to gravitational force acting between them, the speed of lighter body charges at a faster rate than the speed of heavier body. That is why objects close to the surface of Earth fall towards its surface. So the gravitational force is a very long range force and it is the weakest force in the nature. Understand? Now, electrostatic forces. What is electrostatic forces? Electrostatic force we will define as it is the force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body. This force comes into play even when the bodies are not in contacts. Like charge repel each other while unlike charges attract each other. Electrostatic force is a stronger than the gravitational forces. I'm giving you the examples of electrostatic forces. Like when you rub a comb with your dry hair and bring it near some teeny bits of paper, then it attracts those teeny bits of paper. It is because the combo gets charged when rubbed with dry hair. Please understand. when rubbed with dry hair, your comb get charged. It then exerts electrostatic force on the piece of paper when brought close. Right? So, this electrostatic force has been finished now for you guys. And in the next class, we will discuss about the pressures, the examples of pressures, and so on. Meanwhile, if you all of you will have any kinds of problem, let us know. Thanks a lot. Bye.